Hello guys, welcome back to paintingminis. We will paint today the lantern and the glow effect on this awesome miniature from Great Grimoire. It's Sunken Shaman, as you can see. For the first step, paint your lantern black and leave it to dry. After your black primer dried, we will sketch a light on the lantern and on the rope. So, as you already know from Zenital highlight, sketch with the white ink your lantern and leave only the deepest shadows black. In case of the rope, mark the area where the light hits, but please remember that light hits always in a straight line, so the spot on the rope should be an area that is straight in front of the light source. After you sketched your lights on the rope and on the lantern, we will use the yellow ink to paint the whole area on the lantern that you sketched and also the whole area on the rope. You can use it very diluted in case you're afraid of any mistakes, so you can do it twice. After your yellow ink dried, we will use some orange ink to mark the furthest areas of the yellow spot on the lantern and on the rope, because the light, when it hits, it fades away. So leave the center yellow and paint with your orange ink only the furthest area of the spots and leave it to dry. After your orange ink dried, we will use some red ink, in this case Blood Angels Red, to paint for both places, for the lantern and for the spot on the rope, the furthest areas where the light nearly no hits and fades away. After you painted it, leave it to dry. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the short tutorial. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I hope I will see you the next time. Bye bye!